Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to day 5 of 25 days of beauty videos. Today we are going to be demoing putting on these lips, 25 shades of red. That's what we're calling them. It is holiday season. This is the time to wear your red bold lip, and I have quite a few in my collection, so I literally am going to be testing and trying and swatching all of these on my lips today. So please send prayers for thy lips, for you to be able to see each shade, different formulas, all of that good stuff. Also, don't forget that each day this month from December 1st to December 25th, there's going to be a new video up on my channel. So be sure to be coming back every single day. And if today is your first day that you are coming across my video, I have some priors so you can go back and watch those as well. Share with your friends, enjoy the video. There's a ton of content coming and I am so excited to get these done for you guys. So you might ask yourself, aren't all red lips the same? No, different undertones, different colors, they all look differently on the lips. So we're gonna be swatching all of those on the lip today. Some of them I loved, some of them I was just like, oh my goodness, this is gonna dry out my lip. So if you would like to see all of the products and how they look on my lips, well then, just keep on watching. we made it till the end. Oh my goodness, my lips are gonna need a massive lip treatment after this, but surprisingly after like 25 or 26 lipsticks, my lips are doing okay. They're doing okay. Well guys, that concludes this video. I hope that you found it helpful seeing each of those different formulas and shades of red on the lip. Red used to be one of my favorite colors to wear. I still like it. I just feel like ever since the pandemic and having to wear masks, like wearing red just went out the window. But it is holiday season again, so I am looking through my collection to see which of these products I want to take out to be able to wear. So many good ones swatched, also a few that I'm just like, I could take you out of my collection. I no longer need you. You are too dry, or the color just doesn't look right. But I hope that this was beneficial to you guys. I will make sure to list all of the lipsticks down below just in case you want to pick one up. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for tomorrow's video. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye.